Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, it has been reported by MDN News that Lerato Kganyago and her husband Thami Ndlala buy a mall in Pretoria. Now, guys, to me, when I see the video of the mall, it looks like a place where we call Sterland. Kopitori, where you would normally go and watch movies at a lower price. Like, for example, you were able to be to watch a movie for 20 rands and stuff. So Sterland is that place. When I'm looking at the video that was posted on TikTok of the mall, that's the place in Pretoria, right? But MDN News continued to say, Lerato Kganyago, the celebrated South African media personality, and her husband Thami Ndlala have expanded their business portfolio by acquiring an entire mall in Pretoria. The announcement was made by Kganyago on her Insta account, where she shared her excitement about this significant investment. Reflection on the past year, Kganyago mentioned, this year had a few challenges. Personally, but we have bought a few buildings and an entire mall in Pretoria. She also expressed gratitude towards her husband, stating, I learn so much from my husband. That's why I've been doing less gigs. This move into a real estate follows their previous business endeavors, including the luxury boutique hotel 12 on Helen Villa and Spa, where Kganyago is part owner. Guys, Lerato Kganyago is making the moves, and like, congratulations to Lerato Kganyago, congratulations to the husband. But I also went further to the TikTok comments. I'm going to read 2 or 3. A person by the name of Ed Ndlomo VR6 responded, nah, this one needs SARS text, thank you. Because we can never believe that a black person can do everything, ne? Or a black person can push to their limit, right? And then Ed Lwandle says, who are they fronting for? Who's the real owner? Could they be fronting? And then Ed Mahlatsi R saw the same thing. It says Sterland is not a mall, it's a movie place. Oh yeah, it's not a big mall, guys. Like, there's a cinema, a steak kinoko there, and then the food franchises, they're like your Spur and other food places to eat, and there is a game sport type of situation, but it's not necessarily a place where you'll say, I'm going to buy clothes and so it's not that type of a place. So I don't know what can we call. Yeah, no, congratulations to them nonetheless. So a lot of people are so concerned, Uguti, where is the money coming from? But all we can say is that, guys, if they are saying it's theirs, it's theirs. So congratulations to Lerato Kganyago and Mr. Thami Ndlala, hoping that 2025 brings more blessings for them.